In Europe, for example, many manufacturers prefer not to use E-numbers in their products. In this case, baking producers may prefer to use enzymes as an alternative. When used as processing aids, they are exempted from labeling, hence contribute to a more label-friendly product. However, in high-fat dough products like croissants, enzymes are more challenged. In this case, emulsifiers work the best.
Similarly, in brioche, emulsifier optimize texture when the butter or fat content is reduced. In heavy recipes with high inclusions of fruit and/or grains, emulsifiers are often also the preferred tool for a formulation that requires good consistency and dough stability.
Today, many bakers are facing the challenge of reducing the amount of vital gluten in bread formulations, as its price and availability can fluctuate greatly. Reducing dependence on this ingredient can bring cost savings. Enzymes are an ingredient that can reduce up to 100% of added gluten, depending on the formulation, while maintaining product quality.
A combination of both enzymes and emulsifier in the finished product can often be beneficial. However, the type of product and formulation differs from one bakery to the next. So we provide combination customized to each customer's need. For producers, there are a range of benefits when combining enzymes and emulsifiers, including dough stability, production consistency, better volume, texture, and softness of the bread.
My benefits are that a tailored blend of emulsifiers and enzymes contribute to a strong, easy-to-handle dough with good baking properties. The breadcrumb stays softer and fresher for longer, so less bread goes to waste. The bread structure is also more resilient, so there is less damage due to stacking and transport. The combination is also beneficial to consumers.
Indeed, it keeps product fresher for longer and create a more desirable sensorical experience, which translates to happier customer and fewer returns. The combination of both emulsifiers and enzymes is also beneficial to support the performance of the flour during harvest changeovers, especially when there is a big difference in wheat quality.
When using a combination, it is easier to rebalance the systems blends used. At IFF, we can combine different ingredients and specific systems of emulsifier and enzyme blends that benefit a specific customer need.
Tailored blends are IFF's process for combining different ingredients and creating unique solutions depending on each customer's specific project needs. This approach allows us to be a convenient one-stop supplier for our customers, reducing the number of ingredients for our customer to manage. Our application and formulation experts evaluate the needs of every project brief, including application type, affordability, claims, flour type, ingredient shortages, regulatory requirements, and more, and combine our portfolio of offerings to create the best solution for our customer. We can combine emulsifiers and enzymes as well as other ingredients from our extensive IFF bakery portfolio. For example, in high-fat products like brioche, a tailored blend of enzymes, emulsifiers, and hydrocolorides optimize texture when the butter and fat content is reduced. We can use our industry-leading flavor modulators to restore an authentic buttery taste. Similarly, frozen dough applications are also challenging products. Here, a combination of enzymes, emulsifiers, and hydrocolorides often is used. The combination of the ingredients secure good volume stability over the long shelf life in the freezer, providing a good quality product when baked at the end user.
Finding the best solutions depends on a series of factors. First, you need to understand the needs and expectations of your market and legal requirements. Then, you need an ingredient supplier that can help formulate the best all-round solution for you. Finally, in the bakery trial phase, final adjustments must be made and sensory evaluations carried out to ensure your product is ready for the market. At IFF, our first goal will be to understand your specific challenges.
Then design a solution for using our extensive portfolio, not the other way around. We offer an industry-leading portfolio of ingredients beyond emulsifiers and enzymes alone. Through our product design approach, we combine advanced insights with application expertise to create tailored solutions for every customer's unique needs.
To reach affordability goals, we can apply expertise and a matrix of different ingredients to optimize baking formulations, maintaining freshness and delivering affordable premium solutions with inclusion of protein, fiber and fruits, gluten-free ingredients, sugar, salt and fat reductions, and flavors that will guarantee product success.